$45.5 billion US. That is how much the fintech market in Malaysia was valued at in 2024. It is expected to grow to $53.89 billion US by this year, with a compound annual growth rate of 15.56%. Last year, the Malaysia Fintech report revealed that over 280 fintech companies were active in the industry. However, it was GXBank, created under Grab's ecosystem and launched in 2023, that created history along with two other banks by becoming the first 3 digital banks in the country.
Fintech was a space that has tremendous potential, and the bank is well positioned to provide its advice there.
GXBank made history as the first of 5 digital bank license applicants to get the green light from the Finance Ministry and Bank Negara Malaysia. It commenced operations in September 2023 and officially launched in November that same year. Fast forward to December 2024, and the bank gained over 1 million customers nationwide. Despite still being a young bank, the team behind GXBank is already looking at ways to give back to the community they once came from.
We started Grab from day one, where we were building My Taxi back then. So a lot of lessons learned, a lot of mistakes that we have made, then we want to share with these startups. And so because I think these are invaluable.
Having walked through the path in building Grab and building GXBank, the leaders at Grab and GXBank were thinking, how can we pay it forward? Right? How can we help the next generation of startups and entrepreneurs to bring newfound technological advancement in Malaysia while creating more income and economic opportunities, right?
Enter TeXnovasi. The accelerator program is here to empower a new wave of startups driving innovation in customer experience, accessibility, and security across Malaysia's financial landscape.
People talk a lot about funding, people talk a lot about ideas, but people forget about the people that we have here. And I think that's something that we'd like to recognize during the program.
The 6-month program offers specialized mentorship to selected local startups with the help of strategic partners including Cradle Fund and 1337 Ventures.
We should also list out actionable items for them, what the next step they should do. And then we do a follow-up against that as well. So not just from technology and marketing perspective, we also have someone from COSEC as well as a mentor to help with corporate governance.
With guidance from experienced mentors, TeXnovasi aims to propel startups towards bridging Malaysia's financial gaps faster, bolder, and more confidently than ever.
Fintech is quite a diverse and complicated space, and you may require specialization to be able to succeed. But as a startup, you may have limited access to be able to get this kind of stuff. That's the barrier that we want to break with TeXnovasi, right? But beyond mentorship, right, we also want to help with programs and market access that can help them with speed. Because speed is also very important when you're trying to build advancement in technology. And having the know-how, having that guided journey will help them achieve that.
On May 19th, the top 5 finalists were selected. In TeXnovasi's final stage, startups bring their proof-of-concept solutions to life and pitch them directly to key stakeholders from GXBank and Grab. From there, 3 teams will be chosen for an opportunity to develop innovative solutions that improve financial access for Malaysians.
My personal point of view is that a successful program graduates a cohort that can then go on to teach other entrepreneurs and other startups. So then it becomes, a little bit of an alumni or like a badge of honor, right? Like if a company has graduated from this program, then that's someone you want to speak to because they could possibly help you in your journey.
Narutha Raja, FMT.